Oh, I guess it's working. Hey, good evening, guys. Welcome to our week 7 of the class. I mean, we're almost done. You're almost finished. I hope you're excited about that. What you have left to do are a couple of things. The first one, and I'll just read it here off my little chart because that way I don't have to make anything up. The discussion for this week is simply to kind of discuss with your classmates and with me some of the differences about your project and what you're expecting to get out of that. And then also, and that's due as always, put the initial post up before or by Thursday. That way everybody can have a chance to look at it. But by a week from tonight, or well, a week from tonight when you're reading this, you'll want to have your final project submitted, and we'll try to get those grades out to you as quickly as we can. I was pretty pleased with most of your work over the past couple of weeks, and pretty pleased with your initial milestone efforts. The one problem that I'll say that I'm concerned about a little bit, because as I understand the assignment, we're supposed to be considering this for uh, basically teaching, I believe I forgot the exact age, but not old students. And you have to be aware of the math ability these students are going to have and how literal some of them might think. So many of you have got the concepts down very well. All of you, I think, have the concepts down very well. But you're wanting to put in too much arithmetic because that's what we do here. So think about that a little bit more and put together some good charts, and I will read them with joy. I hope you have a very good week, and I will talk with you in the discussion boards, and everything is okay. Take care.